Going to be going over why I didn't end up getting into this trade. So first and foremost, what I really liked about this trade is we took out Asia low and we ended up taking our previous day low. And as we were pushing low, we could see we created a high that made the low and a lower high that made the lower low. So we can see that we're bearish. And if I draw out this 5-minute order block, we can see the price pushed down, came back into the zone and continued down. Now, what ended up happening is we had this trend line forming below where buyers were coming into the market. So there was a lot of liquidity below. And we can see that when price pushed down to create a new low, it ended up taking out this trend line. And once I saw that, right here, I drew out a 5-minute inverse fair value gap. And I wanted to see if price would close above it. Now, after price closed above it, I could have easily got into the trade. But the reason why I didn't is because of what I said before. When we had this 5-minute order block and price ended up mitigated and continued down, what's to say that price doesn't come all the way up, and when I enter, it comes back into this zone, rejects it and continues down? So that was in my mind and I didn't want to take a chance on it. And we can see price has actually pushed up and broke above this high. But if we look at the 15-minute, we can see that this actually doesn't even look like a break. It looks like potentially a liquidity grab, because if we draw it like this, we can see that this trend lines got swept and we could just potentially just continue down. So for them reasons, that's why I didn't enter into the trade.